Welcome to this Microsoft Word video tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basic of using Microsoft Word so that you can start creating a professional looking documents. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processing program that is widely used for creating and editing documents. Whether you need to create a resume, a report, or a letter, this tutorial will give you the fundamental knowledge you need to get started with Microsoft Word. Now we discuss about fundamental body of this tutorial. Microsoft Word is a powerful word processor with a lot of features to help you create a professional documents. With so many features, though it can be daunting at first in this module, you will learn the fundamental of using Microsoft Word. You will get a feel for the interface and learn how to create, open, and save new Microsoft Word documents. You will also learn how to view and navigate documents and how to print and share them. So let's discuss to elaborate on this Microsoft Word topic. The next, our first one is the title bar. Display the name of the current file. The second one is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar, common commands such as save and undo. It can be customized to include many common commands. The next one is autosave switch. Autosave switch, we can give an elaborate if the current document is saved to a cloud or storage location like OneDrive or SharePoint, you can toggle whether changes are automatically saved. The next one is display option. This is where you can change how much of the ribbon is displayed, minimize, maximize, or restore the Microsoft Word window or close Word altogether. The next one is ribbon. This is where you will find all the options you need to make a stellar document. The options are grouped into tabs. The next one is Tell Me search box. Tell Me search box, which allows you to search for commands by typing out keywords. The next one is Microsoft account user info. When you are logged in with the Microsoft account, your name appears here. The next one is document window. Documents window, this is where you see your document, where you edit and format. The next one is rules. Rulers, when the rule turned on, they appear at the top and the left of the document. The next one is scroll bar. Use the scroll bar to move up and down or left and right in a document. Status bar, next one. Status bar shows summaries information like the number of pages and words in the documents. It adds the buttons to change the document's view. The last one is zoom slider. Use the zoom slider to change how big the documents appears. So that's it for this Microsoft Word video tutorial. We hope you found it helpful in getting started with using Microsoft Word. Remember to practice and explore the different functions to get a better understanding of what Microsoft Word can do. If you have any question or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again in our next tutorial. Okay.